I want to show you how to integrate and call C# functions within the OpenAI model. So within the C# Blazor project, you need to install Microsoft Semantic Kernel with OpenAI connectors. So after installing, you configure it within your program.cs. Then you create a class. Within that class, you make a function that accepts a history of the chat and a prompt. So you can configure some settings however you like, and you can get a response from the OpenAI model. So here we have a list. We have our class with functions. So the functions have return a list with user models that has names. So to pinpoint or to map the functions, we have to use this kernel function attribute so that the OpenAI model can serialize this data for us, so it can be used within the model itself. So we have the description. You can add a description. Here I've added description for people names in Josie, KZN, and Ember. So we'll be testing this out. So when you've created a class like this, you have to configure it within your platform program CS as a plugin. You add the plugin type as the class and you give it a name. So if you want to test this, you go to before I must show you the home page. In the home page, you just have a prompt. The prompt to get the names and return the names. Then we feed it to the function we made within the OpenAI services class to get the response. So to test this, I'll just say can we names from Ember. Then it gives us Pumi, John, and Joseph. So go to the list. So it called the function from Ember. Then we get Pumi, John, and Joseph. That's how you call your C# functions within the OpenAI model.